All right, little bird exercise for a warm-up. Ah, mistakes. Mistakes happen. They're part of life. They're part of music. They're part of every day. We all make them. And I tell my kids this and often forget to tell myself this, that mistakes are how we learn. And I was reading this book here, this great Rick Rubin book, and he writes a similar thing in the book about failure. And he says, failure is the information that we need to get where we are going. So we need failure, we need mistakes in our life in order to learn and to get where we're going. So don't forget to tell yourself that. I'll try not to forget to tell myself that. Have fun, be patient, and I'll see you later. All right, bird exercises from yesterday. Descending in half steps. Hopefully no mistakes.